Good morning. So I'm on the way to Tao's apartment right now. Google Maps said that the traffic is actually going to take about 50 to over an hour, but hopefully it won't be too bad. She's driving me today. We are in Anaheim, about to get breakfast? Brunch?
About to get breakfast. Well, yeah, first we are going to stop by Target.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Because she needs to pick up.
I need to pick up.
Because she's indecent right now.
I need to pick up nipple pads.
Yeah, she's not very socially acceptable, so we will not be zooming in. Just made it to Target. I've never been inside this Target before.
You talk like you've never been inside of a Target.
No, like this one in particular.
Actually, I've taken you here before, but it just wasn't the vibe.
Like a lazy afternoon, I'm just chilling, flat on my back, staring up at the ceiling, feeling the calm and spilling my songs. I'm here, then I'm gone.
So we went to Target to find me a bra. Well, not really a bra, because I just wanted to get like a boob sticker.
Yeah. Nipple pasty?
Nipple paste.
Yeah.
But turns out it was so expensive. It was like $21.
Yeah. Yep.
So I guess the rest of the day I'm just gonna walk around without my nipples being covered.
Yeah, she'll just use your hair. Free.
Pages and pages of unfinished lines, half-written rhymes. He sits at his desk with pages and pages of unfinished lines, half-written rhymes. He sits at his desk with pages and pages.
Walking to your brunch spot. Kind of parked really far.
We parked really far.
I know.
It actually took us like a really long time to even find parking, because like I turned and then the GPS just said that I had to turn again, and we ended up like U-turning several times.
So you can say lighthouse.
Wait. So it's in here.
The weather feels really nice though. Oh wait, no.
Listen, man. Hey, yo.
So we try to get outdoor seating, but it's all packed. But inside's pretty cute too, so I guess we don't mind.
So we are at Huntington, Pacific City.
The vibe is definitely better here.
Yeah, there are actually people here, and yeah.
This is like the kind of aesthetic.
Same.
Oh my god, the beach is literally right there. Wow! Oh. You look cute.
Thanks. You look cute too.
Thanks.
My name is Tommy. Young, I just want you just close to me. But baby, I just can't help it.
Wait, I don't know. Something is going on over there. I actually haven't been here in a while. Oh my god.
It's not hot.
It's like a little cloudy, but for some reason it's still really sunny at the same time and like really
What's
bright.
going in English?
I have no idea. I can't open my eyes. But this is kind of cute. I forgot my hair. Got our truck. We're ready to function now. You know, like when older people said they cannot function without coffee? I definitely felt that.
I feel that in my soul today.
Yeah, like the whole day we were walking, it felt so exhausting. Like we just had like no energy like, the whole time. I was like dying.
This is really bad. I think it's
Really very expensive. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
So yeah. Like,
Just
I
got back.
haven't pulled anything out.
Just got back home, and she's going to make me some gourmet.
We ran out of eggs. So, yar.
Have you ever had a day where nothing goes right? Everything goes wrong. Nothing works out.
Literally just cook it in the pan.
That works.
Yeah, it works and it's a lot faster. I look like I'm in like sleeping gown.
Yeah.
So this has been my go-to snack for the past few weeks.
From Costco.
From Costco. And I think right now they're having like a sale. So it's less than $5 per bag.
Wow.
Because I remember buying 2 of them and then the total was less than $10. And normally whenever I go to like Target and I spend money on snacks, like each bag would be around $4 anyway.
Wait.
And it's just mostly air.
But these are different.
Which one you want?
I'll just eat the normal one.
Opting for the safe option.
Yeah.
Because our day has been not good already.
I don't feel like taking risks. Wow, so healthy.
Excuse me.
Let's eat. Kiki.
So I guess I'm putting away the dishes too after washing them.
I need to use my dishwasher.
It's really useful.
I think, you know, like, I actually like sat down and like had like a serious conversation with Paul
About
why,
you guys are using the
like the reason why we still have not used the dishwasher, even though like it's been almost a year since we moved in.
So why is that?
I think it's because it's rooted in our childhood, like our system of like being raised by Asian parents. That, like I feel like I'm so like resistant to it, but honestly like I don't really have any reason to. Like, you know what I mean? Like
To not use it?
yeah, like honestly like it's not like it wastes less water, it's efficient, and it's there. Like, you know, we already have it. Like, why not use it, right?
I don't know why you guys don't use it.
I don't know either. Like I think it's just like we're so used to not using it. Like I feel like we're like so brainwashed by like, our parents that like, oh, it's not clean enough. Like nothing beats hand washing your own dirty dishes.
I feel like that's not true because
It's really not true.
It's boiling water.
Yeah, and then like it's like because it's so like ingrained in my brain that like it's so hard for me to fight back that toxic teaching.
Toxic anti-dishwasher phenomenon.
But like really though, so next week I'm probably gonna go buy soap. Hello. He's so cute. Or is this all the stuff? What's this whole little? What?
That's all the sauce.
Seriously? Oh, you have the best afternoon snack ever. Thanks for feeding me.
Okay, so we've hung out for the whole day and right now she's leaving me and look at how much she brought to her to me this whole day today. But yeah, today was very unproductive.
What can you do? It be like that sometimes.
It be like that sometimes.
We actually sent you all like
Actually, I'm gonna walk you out.
Okay.